Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Logical Domain of DJ with another powerful mathematical session. Today we will do some problems on sums and product of trigonometric function. In our previous video we have already deducted all the formulas related on this chapter, and now we will do some important problems on this chapter. Then your concept of the formulas will be clear. So today's video will be very much important to everybody. So stay focused and follow the problems. I wish then all the concepts will be clear to everybody. So let's start with a very simple problem. Number 1, we have to calculate the value of a trigonometric expression, that one sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 degree. We have to calculate the value of this expression. Now see how can we approach to the problem and how do we apply the rules of this chapter. I can take these two terms as sin c minus sin d. If you want to choose this one sin c minus sin d, then also it will okay. But I will take suppose this one sin c minus sin d. So what is the rule sin c minus sin d? You know the rule is sin c minus sin d equal to 2. 2 is the common factor for all the product form. So as there is minus, so first term will be cos c plus d by 2, and second term is sin c minus d by 2. So I will apply this formula on this structure. So this will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 plus sin 10 degree. So see this one 50 plus 70 120 by 2, that is 60 cos 60. Now what is this one 50 minus 70, that is minus 20. So this one become minus 10 degree plus sin 10 degree. Now sine of minus theta, you know sine of minus theta means minus sin theta. This minus sign will be out of this angle, that is minus 2. Cos 60 means half sin 10 degree plus sin 10 degree. So this one minus sin 10 plus sin 10 equal to 0. So that is a very simple expression where we apply the sum into product, and we have already know what is the formula, then its value is 0. Now for the what is the second problem, see. Number 2, the given condition is x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to x cos phi plus y sin phi. That is our given condition, and we have to prove. Then prove that. What we have to prove? We have to prove x by y equal to tan theta plus phi by 2. We have to prove the ratio of x and y. So what can we do in this problem? First of all, we separate all the x term and y term. These two terms are x term and these two terms are y term. So we will take this x term in left side, y term in right side. So this one x cos theta minus x cos phi equal to y sin phi minus y sin theta. That is, if we take common x here, then this becomes this one. If you take y common here, this becomes this one. Clear to everyone? Otherwise, you cannot apply the formula here, because this one cos, this one sin, this one x, this one y. But if you take all the sin, all the x term to the left side, all the y terms to the right side, then you will get this structure: sin c, cos c minus cos d. This one sin c minus sin d. So we will apply here the rules. Cos c minus cos d means 2. Cos c minus cos d means sin formula, that is sin c plus d by 2 into sin this one exceptional formula d minus c by 2, this one d, that is phi minus theta by 2. Cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2, this angle is first. Now what is sin c minus sin d? Here also 2, as this one minus sin, so cos is the first term, cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Clear to everyone? Now these two terms will be cancelled, and see this term sin phi minus theta by 2, here also sin phi minus theta by 2. So you can cancel them. So only the terms sin theta plus phi by 2 equal to y cos, you can write this one theta plus phi by 2. So if you take x by y, this one, if you take x by y, this one cos by sin. So I think this problem, there is a problem, I think theta by 2 by sin theta plus phi by 2. So cos by sin means cot. I think this condition is something mistake here. Yes, this one is, we have to prove this one cot theta plus phi by 2. So see this one x cos by sin, that is cot theta plus phi by 2. So clear to everyone how do we approach to the problem? We just separate the x term and y term on the left hand side and right hand side. Then we have applied the rule and see there are some common terms, these two and these two, this sin term, they are cancelled, and you will get the required result. Now for the third problem. Third problem is, we have to calculate another trigonometric expression, this one 2 sin degree, 2 sin 10 degree minus 2 sin 70 degree. That's our problem. Now how can we calculate its value? We just simply add them. LCM will be 2 sin 10 degree. Now what will be numerator? 1 minus 4 sin 70 sin 10 degree. Now we will apply the product rule here. See this one If you take 1 2 from this 4, then this one becomes 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. And what is the rule? This one is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. We will apply this formula on this part. Then what you will get? If I take 2 from here, then this one becomes cos 70 minus 10 minus cos 70 plus 10 by 2 sin 10 degree. So this one becomes 70 minus 10, that is cos 60, minus cos 80 by 2 sin 10 degree. Up to this clear to everyone, I think. Now we multiply this 2 in the all the terms of this bracket. Then this will becomes 1 minus 2 cos 60 minus minus plus 2 cos 80 by 2 sin 10 degree. Now see, cos 60 means half. So this one will also cancel. That is 1 minus 1 plus. Now this one cos 80, this one cos 80. If you change this angle into its complement, that is, this one you can write cos of 90 minus 10. Complementary angle, cos of 90 minus theta means sin theta. Then what you will get? 1 1 cancel, 2 cos 80, this one also 2 cos 80, that is, you will get the result 1. So in this problem we have applied the product into sum, and step by step we will do all the calculation, then you will get the required result. Now for the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Number 4. This one also another evaluation of trigonometric expression. 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. You have to calculate its value. Now see, here these are in product form. You can convert this product into sum, and this one are in sum form. You can convert them in product. Either you convert this product into sum or this sum into product. I will always advise, always apply this sum into product. Then you can get a common. See, this one 5 plus 3, 5 and 3, 5 plus 3 means 8, and 8 by 2 means 4, but if you subtract them, 5 minus 3, 2, 2 by 2 means 1, so you can get pi by 13 as a common. So that's why I will apply this sum, I will convert this sum into product. I take this part unchanged, 9 pi by 13. So cos c plus cos d, what is this one? 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3 pi by 13. I just write for your clarity. What is this one? 3 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13 by 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. This one. Now if you calculate this one very simple addition, 13 is the LCM, 5 plus 3 8 by 2. So this one becomes 4, 5 plus 3 8 by 2 means 4 pi by 13, and this one becomes cos 3 minus 5, that is minus 2, minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1, but as this one is cos of minus, so this one becomes cos minus pi by 13. Now you know cos of minus theta means only cos theta, so this minus sign will be vanished, so then you will get cos pi by 13 and cos 9 pi by 13 plus, and this minus sign will be abolished from there, because this one cos, in case of cos the minus sign into the angle will vanish. This is a formula, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So see what you have got here, you have got this one common, you have got 2 cos pi by 13 as common. Now this one cos 9 pi by 13, cos 4 pi by 13. Clear to everyone? Now I will convert these sums into product. This one is cos c plus cos d. Again I will apply the rule. Then what you will get? 2 cos pi by 13, this one 2 cos c plus d by 2, 9 plus 4 13 by 2, that is 13 pi by 26, cos c minus d by 2, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4, that is 5 pi by 26. So this one 2 to 4 cos pi by 13, this one our interesting term, so this one is cos pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 26. You know cos pi by 2, this equal to 0. So as this all are in multiple form, if one term is 0, then you have understand the result will be 0. So in this way we will calculate the problem. First I just convert the sums into product, then I take the common, then again I apply the sums into product, and I have got our vanishing term cos pi by 2, then the required result becomes 0. Now see what is our next problem. This one number 4, number 5. Here the given condition, sin x plus sin y equal to root 3 cos y minus cos x. Then we have to calculate, then find the value of sin 3x, sin 3y. If so, I will apply the formula sin c plus sin d, here cos t minus cos d. So apply this one, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 equal to root 3 into 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. This one is our exceptional formula, cos c minus cos d, 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine d minus c by 2. Then we will cancel this 2. You may also cancel this term, sin x plus y by 2 sin x plus y by 2. Then what you will get? Cos x minus y by 2. This one is root 3 into sin x minus y by 2. Now take this sign in the left hand side, then cos x minus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 equal to root 3. So this one is cos theta by sin theta, that is cot x minus y by 2, root 3 means cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree. So x minus y by 2 means 30 degree. Therefore, x minus y by 2 equal to 30 degree. That is x minus y equal to 60 degree. X equal to 60 plus y. Now you can apply this value on this expression. We have to calculate the value of sin 3x plus sin 3y. You just apply the value of x here, then see what you will get. What you will get here? Therefore, sin 3x, that is 3 into 60 plus y plus sin 3y. So sin 180 plus 3y sin 3y. Now what will this one? Sin 180 plus 3y. This one is on third quadrant. So in third quadrant sin is negative and 180 is the even multiple of 90. So this one sin 3y plus sin 3y equal to 0. So clear to everyone? We just calculate from the given condition the relation between x and y, and we apply the value of x in our given expression, and we will get the result as 0. So now for the sixth problem. Cos theta plus cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos theta plus 4 pi by 3. You have to calculate its value. So this one all here are in sums form. I can take this one cos c plus cos d and apply the formula. Cos theta 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is theta 2 pi by 3 theta 4 pi by 3 by 2, and this one cos c minus d by 2 theta plus 2 pi by 3 minus theta minus 4 pi by 3 by 2. So this one theta plus theta means 2 theta, and if you add them 4 plus 2, that is 6 pi, by 3 by 2. Here theta will be cancelled. 2 pi minus 4 pi, that is minus 2 pi. But you can vanish this minus because this one is cos. Cos of minus theta means only cos theta. So you can skip the minus sign. So this one only 2 pi by 3 by 2. Then what you will get? 2 cos, if you divide this to theta plus just only pi, and this one cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 means half. And what is this one? I just write in this form, 2 into pi by 2 plus theta. Pi means 2 into pi by 2 plus theta. So this one is in third quadrant, 2 into 90 plus theta. This is in third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos is negative. So cos theta, this one is minus, and here is 2, so this one cos theta. The result is 0. So clear to everyone? So don't fear, just calculate as per the formula and calculate properly. Keep patience on calculating the maths. Obviously you will reach to your goal. Now let's do the seventh problem. Seventh problem, which one very much important in many exams. These problems are given. We have given a sin theta equal to b sin phi. Then prove that a cot phi plus b cot theta equal to a plus b cot theta plus phi by 2. A sin theta equal to b sin phi is a given condition, and you have to prove a cot phi plus b cot phi equal to this one. Now how can we approach to this problem? See, first of all, here theta is combined with a, phi is combined with b, but in our given what we have to prove? Here phi is combined with a and theta is combined with b. So first we will adjust this a and the angle AB with the theta and phi. First of all, from this I can write a by sin phi equal to b by sin theta. I just combine a with phi and b with theta. Just cross multiply or interchange them, sin phi in the left side and sin theta in the right side. You know, it's a property of ratio and proportion. A by sin phi equal to b by sin theta equal to, you can write here, this one is a by a plus b sin phi plus sin theta. That is a property of ratio and proportion. Each ratio will be equal to this ratio, that is sum of the numerators, sum of the denominators. Now what is our given problem? Our problem is a cot phi. Cot phi means cos phi by sin phi. B cot theta. B cot theta means b cos theta by sin theta. Now see, here is the term a by sin phi, here is the term b by sin theta. Now I can write a by cos phi. A by cos phi means this one. So you can write here a plus b by sin theta plus sin phi into cos phi. Here also you can write b by sin theta means a plus b by sin theta sin phi cos theta. So you can take the common this term, and if you take common from this line, what you will get? This becomes only cos phi plus cos theta. Clear to everyone? That is, these terms are same, a by sin phi and b by sin theta, they are equal, and they are equal to this one. So I just take common of this term and write this term, a plus b by sin theta plus sin phi. Now apply here cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And this one also sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now this 2 terms will be cancelled. Now see, there is a problem. Cos by sin, this one is our cot, our required result. But you can cancel this cos term because this one is phi minus theta, this one is theta minus phi. But you can take one minus sign from this cos or from this one, and this minus sign will not affect this cos because cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So you can write this one as a plus b. This one cos by sin means cot theta plus pi by 2, and this term will be cancelled. Because if you take minus sign from this angle, this will becomes equal to this angle, and minus sign easily abolished in between the angle of cos, because cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So easily you have got the required result. Just before proceeding the problem, adjust the theta and phi with a and b, because here the combination of a with phi and b with theta. That's why I just change them and apply a property of ratio and proportion, and then you easily get a common and just break them, you will get the result. So this is a very important problem. Now number 8. We have to calculate of this trigonometric expression cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. We have to calculate its value. So here they are in product form, so we have to convert them in sum form, and we will adjust here 2, because in every product form 2 must be added. That's why first we adjust 2. Now we can take this 2 term. I write this cos 40 in the first term, cos 20 in the second term. In calculating the problem, if you take the larger angle for the first term, then there will not be arise any negative sign. That is also another technique, but it will not affect the problem. But if you take the larger angle for the first term, then there will not arise any negative sign. So 2 cos A cos B. This one is cos A plus B, that is 40 plus 20, 60, plus cos A minus B, 40 minus 20, that is 20, cos 80. Multiple them, half cos 60, cos 80, half Here also I write this cos 80 in the first, cos 20 for the second. Now cos 60 means half. So this one 1 by 4 cos 80. Now again we apply the product formula, that is we will convert this product into sum, and we also adjust here also 2 cos 80 cos 20. One by 4 cos 80, 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B, 100 cos A minus B, that is 60. Multiple them. One by 4 cos 80 plus 1 by 4 cos 100, 1 by 4 cos 60 means half. Now I can change this angle 100 or 80. I can change just this angle 100. But you can write this 100 degree. 100 degree means 180 minus 80. So change the angle 1 by 4 cos 80, 1 by 4 cos 180 minus 80 plus 1 by 8. So this one is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative. So here minus 1 by 4, as this one 180, so this one cos 80. So this will cancel, and what you will get, its result is 1 by 8. So clear to everyone? Whenever you apply formula, it's a technique. Take the larger angle for the first term, either in product to sum or sum to product. If you take the larger angle, then there will not arise any minus sign in the terms. Number 9. The problem is in the form sin theta minus pi by 3. You have to calculate the value of theta such that the expression gets its maximum value. That is, find the value of theta. Find the value of theta so that it becomes maximum. That is, in which value of theta this trigonometric expression will be maximum. So I can write this expression as y. That is, we have to calculate the maximum value of y, and we have to find the value of theta for which the value of y becomes maximum. Now I will just convert this product into sum, and that's why I will adjust this 2 factor to sin theta minus pi by 3. So 2 sin A sin B. This one cos A minus B, theta minus theta plus pi by 3 minus cos A plus B. So this theta is cancelled. This one. So this one is a fixed value, that is cos 60 means half. 2 theta minus pi by 3. Now this one is our y and we have to maximize this y. Now see, this y can be written in this form, half minus of this term. So y will be maximum when this term will be minimum, because this one is minus sign. So when this value will be minimum, then y will be maximum. So we have to find the minimum value of this term. This one is cos of 2 theta minus pi by 3. So I write here y is maximum when cos of 2 theta minus pi by 3 is minimum. Is it clear to everyone? Because cos of 2 theta minus pi by 3 is in minus form. Now as this one is cos, we know its minimum value is minus 1. So what is the minimum value of this one? This one is minus 1. Therefore cos of 2 theta minus pi by 3, this value should be minus 1, its minimum value. Now you know minus 1 means cos pi, that is cos 180. The value of cos 180 is minus 1. Therefore 2 theta minus pi by 3 equal to pi. So what you will get, 2 theta equal to pi plus pi by 3, that is 4 pi by 3, and theta equal to 2 pi by 3, that is 120 degree. So y will be maximum when value of theta will be 2 pi by 3, that is 120 degree. Then this y, that is our given expression, will be maximum. So clear to everyone? Now what is our last problem for today's video? Number 10. We have to prove tan 60 degree minus theta, tan 60 degree plus theta equal to two cos 2 theta plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. We have to prove this trigonometric expression. Now in this chapter, sums and product, there is no formula in tan, so we have to break them in sine and cos. So I can write them in this form. Sine, I write 60 plus theta in the first term, sine 60 minus theta by cos 60 plus theta, cos 60 minus theta. So I will convert this product into sum, and so I adjust 2 here. In the numerator and denominator you can multiply 2. So this one 2 sin A sin B. So this one is cos A minus B, this minus this, what you will get, 60 plus theta minus 60 plus theta minus cos A plus B, 60 plus theta plus 60 minus theta. This one 2 cos A cos B, so cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So here 60 60 cancel, here theta theta cancel, theta theta cancel, 60 60 cancel. So what you will get, cos 2 theta. This one is cos 120. This one cos 120 plus cos 2 theta. Now what is the value of cos 120? Cos 120 means cos 180 minus 60. So this one is second quadrant. So this one minus cos 60, that is minus half. So cos 120 value is minus half. So you will apply here cos 2 theta plus half minus half. I just write cos 2 theta minus half, and if you calculate them you will get the required result 2 cos 2 theta plus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. So simply we just break the tan into sin by cos and apply our rule, calculate properly, you will get the required result. So I think all the calculations are very much clear to everyone, although I have do all the steps of this problem. So keep practicing this problem, then the rules also will be very much familiar and very much common to everyone. Calculations is also part of the problem, so don't neglect them. So if you think this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to share the video to your friends and subscribe the channel to get another powerful mathematical session on my channel. So keep focused and keep growing, keep practicing, and also obviously keep smiling. Math will not be a boring subject if you understand all the steps, if you understand all the logic behind every calculation. So stay focused. See you on another video next time. Thank you.